2 years ago, I got an accident while walking to class. I tripped over a rock and hit my head down. Because I'm busy checking email. At that moment, one thought flashed through my mind. Maybe you already know we spend an average of 1.5 to 2 hours per day using Google services. And why don't we use it in another way? An awesome way. So hey, fellow internet hustlers, today we're diving into the world of Google-powered money-making magic. Buckle up, because we're about to explore 9 proven ways to turn Google into your personal ATM. If you really want to make money online with Google, but aren't sure where to begin, then you should watch till the end, because I will definitely reveal all my experience from 2 years with Google. First up, Google AdSense. If you're planning to earn money from ads on your site or blog, AdSense is your best friend. Think of it as the Robin to your Batman.
Holy mumble-mouth, Batman! Somebody's got a mouthful of marbles. What's the matter, Bane? Bat got your tongue? Oh, wait until I unleash my flim-flam.
Your what?
These! Flim-flam!
Go sit in the Batmobile and wait there.
Oh, I got you, Batman. The old sit and wait. All part of the plan.
It's a zero-cost per click advertising strategy to help you make some cash. To get started, sign up for a Google AdSense account, link it to your website or YouTube channel, and start displaying ads. You control where the ads go, like placing sprinkles on a cupcake.
Caramelizes down. It's super fragrant and very, very sweet. That's going to literally give that wonderful flavor.
Bring that back up to the boil, and it'll have a slight crunch left in there.
Let the pan do the work and get that beautiful color in there.
Just copy and paste the code where you want the ads to appear. Remember, you'll need to reach the minimum threshold to get paid, so keep those clicks coming. If you have a site with good traffic, AdSense can be quite profitable. On average, websites can earn between 10 cents to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on the niche and audience. Next, let's talk about Google Opinion Rewards. This is the easiest way to earn a few bucks without breaking a sweat. Simply download the app, answer some questions about yourself, and you'll start receiving surveys. With every completed survey, you'll achieve a credit to the Google Play Store or PayPal. You can earn up to $1 per survey. If you complete a few surveys each week, that can add up to an extra $10 to $20 a month. The surveys may include reviews and user opinions on a topic to your satisfaction with a specific vendor. It's not going to make you rich, but hey, who doesn't like getting paid to share their opinion? I mean, you do that for free on Twitter anyway. Number 3, become a search engine evaluator. It's a real job that pays you to be the internet's quality control expert. Think of it as being the superhero of search results, ensuring that Google and other search engines are delivering the most relevant and helpful information to users. Your mission: to analyze search results, assess the usefulness of websites, and make sure the internet isn't leading us all astray with irrelevant cat videos and clickbait articles. This isn't just about having a knack for finding the best pizza joint online. Although that certainly helps. It's about applying your critical thinking skills and attention to detail to make the web a better place. The best part? You can earn a decent hourly wage, with some evaluators raking in over $700 a month working part-time. So, if you've got a discerning eye and a passion for information accuracy, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Coming in at number 4, it's Google Audience Measurement, the side hustle that pays you to be you. Google wants to know what you watch, click, and tap, and they'll reward you for sharing your digital habits. This isn't about opinions, it's about data. Google installs a simple meter on your devices, tracking your usage while keeping your information secure and anonymous. Think of it as a backstage pass to the world of market research. Your every click, view, set, and search become valuable insights that shape the future of technology. Best part? You get paid for it. Every Thursday, your digital activity translates into points, redeemable for gift cards or cash, averaging $50 to $100 a month. So binge watch those shows, browse those websites, and tap away on your phone. You're not just killing time, you're contributing to valuable research and earning rewards in the process. Number 5 is for the authors out there. Sell your books on Google Play. The Google Play Books Partner Program allows you to sell your books or ebooks and reach a global audience. Upload your books in PDF or EPUB formats, and Google will handle the hosting, sales, and distribution. You get sales reports and most of the revenue from each sale. Time to turn those late-night writings into cash. Authors typically earn 70% of the sales price, so if you sell a book for $10, you keep $7.
And obviously it was an attempt, I think, certainly in terms of myth and folklore, it's an attempt to explain the natural world, things people didn't understand. I am very interested in story, inevitably. I'm not just interested in writing stories, I'm interested in why we write stories.
Yes.
I'm even more fascinated by the fact that discrete cultures who'd never met create such similar.
Number 7, the classic side hustle. Starting a blog is a timeless way to share your passions, connect with others, and potentially earn a substantial income. Successful bloggers can make thousands of dollars each month through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. But it's not just about writing. It's about mastering SEO and creating engaging content that keeps readers coming back for more. Find your niche, whether it's food, fashion, travel, or personal finance, and share your unique perspective. With dedication and a bit of know-how, your blog can become a thriving online business. Coming in at number 8, creating a YouTube channel. YouTube has over 30 million daily visitors, making it a goldmine for content creators.
I just started this 10-minute timer, and when it hits 0, that room all the way over there full of money will explode. And the only man that can stop it is this man in this straitjacket. This video is completely real-time. You'll notice it's exactly 10 minutes long. There are no cuts. You see everything.
YouTubers earn through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Popular channels can make anywhere from $1,000 to over $100,000 a month. Post consistently, engage with your audience, and build a loyal following. Before you know it, you'll be making money just by uploading videos.
We are now stranded on a raft in the middle of the ocean. And there goes our boat. We are now stranded for 7 days. How much longer? 7 days. Frick. This raft is literally countless miles from the nearest civilization. And whether we like it or not, my 4 friends and I are stuck on this raft. And it's not going to be easy. This is brutal. We're all at rock bottom now. This challenge went from fun to a literal nightmare very fast.
And finally, number 9, Google Remote Careers. Dreaming of working for one of the biggest tech giants in the world?
It's just some place where I can never imagine myself getting bored.
You're gonna have to make your own rules sometimes, and this is actually part of the fun.
Google offers a plethora of remote opportunities for talented individuals across various fields. Whether you're a marketing maven, a coding genius, or a customer service extraordinaire, there might be a perfect spot for you on their remote team. Interested? Head over to Google's career page and explore the latest openings. With salaries ranging from $50,000 to well over $150,000 per year, depending on your skills and experience, a rewarding and fulfilling career could be just a few clicks away. Who knows, your dream job might be waiting for you at Google. And there you have it. 9 proven ways to make money online with Google in 2024. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest money-making tips and tricks.